Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Wanjop Sohkhlet layo ban Rwai de Jingrwai hei Kongthei Hakhmat uba Prestone Tynsong uba de sembut menteri rang ba kejela hakapor buwan pelat ba ya ke poster jong ke film ahor kepada long menta ke janmi jong ke arpu khendai terik unai luar arhajar arpu haslong club ha ke jinge dan lang kiting shop ki puron ke film ahor kinong sha khot ngobha kani ke film ahor kala upline habiju cinema shalong kaban so yu no hau benai nai luar arhajar arpu kabala penmi dau ba hilarious kharbi khio ubalong ru ting shop jong kani ka film
Filmmaking ngalong ifi kadik 100 crore, more than 100 crore industry. Tehnri hadu menta ngidang yaksai. Kata yaksai kicing syakri don tang kawai kadam. Kam don kawai ke shibun ba kidau. Kam don regeno. Kadam tang kawai ngi pong ki sabti ki be internet, ngi pong ki judi ki be internet, don ki badeng ke baje ke kamram, don ki bapong let's say halang jong ke jingwa kiri am kibe ngampat ekran siapa kini ki company ki pasyai kini ki produk ki don ke jong ke market ki don ke jong kayo te ladani pai pat haka produk ke jungi ni pun ke produk te nyimdon ke nya ke jaka pengindi except biju senama nak takadau mene iba hilar sa ai kublai tini ero nak gadam nomor ngisu tu. Sir, for your information, ka film kajuk manakani ka collection joka, I think it's more than 50 lakh, right? Total?
30 plus, from
35-40 lakhs. But I got to know from Gautam that he had to pay around 8 lakh GST?
Yes.
8 lakh GST, sir. We contribute to the state exchequer. Moreover, Gautam, when you do business here, he has to pay TDS, right, Gautam?
Income tax, yeah.
Income tax. So that income tax again, from what he got from the share, from where we screen a movie, again he has to deposit to the state exchequer. That again another revenue, sir. So total altogether must be around, so GST 18% plus the income tax 30% plus. So now, sir, you can understand how much revenue we do contribute just from one hall, sir. Biju's nama.
Because a lot of petitions we received, and ultimately we decided to have one dedicated cinema hall in Shillong. But that will take a little more time, because shifting or relocating that Yeo Maolong to other side is going to happen. You know that Yeo Maolong, we wanted to develop it, to beautify it. We wanted to have a proper shopping mall and also a proper cinema hall. So that is the first decision we have taken just a few days back. I am very sure in the years to come, we will accomplish this intention of the government. Ikwa ban kentiu ya kasat kapong jogi kun samla jogi piong haka lan joga Jingrwai piong haka liang jongka Jingshat, Hakalian juga acting, but Sinlang berkentei, ia don laka juga sah. Number 2, ngidang ya tuan, banyak kuat ia association, lalu orang semua bahasa bangun kedua yang awan no kapolai, maybe few districts ngilah ban construct, dan ban establish ia di cinema hall. Ia kata ngilah naik assurance, nomor bahkan it does not involve much financial implication. If we can have maybe 1.5 to 2 crores, I think that is good enough in the district level. In the district level, 1.5 up to 2 crores maximum, I think we'll be able to come it up. Yang Joko Sokar and Xiaomi, we are there with all of you. What we've been saying, lada silap kawe kaplim, pio ya kejing siu. Kadai kembang mbak koman, lada don tansan reutuli hakasisnet. Ngathrai la ya kala model. Piong karyam, piong kabang kadi, bat ka employment kabangi. Tinggi layu iya kani ke area, kani ke sektor. Bangi don kam, bat ka don ke potentiality ya. Bat ngikuang sisya, ban kentiu, ban ngangit skem pemong pihak ini kipor, kibanwan, ngin pen urlong ya ki. Issues juga taxes, ya kan ini matrai kan bahang apa pinora ya, ki bangila, GST ginam na ngimdon buon ni, dari state government, we don't have authority from the state government to reduce the GST, but of course we will be able to take it up with the central government, and our chief minister, he is also the member of the GST council. Maybe we will take it up in the council itself. But as far as state taxes is concerned, we are there to negotiate. We are there to help out. Dikatakan bang aku akan dong yapi, dan ingin kami buat ketenju, namar kene kene kacanmit, kami release, ya kene kaplim, ahor, semua orang naik kublai yang ni kimis, kim model, kibawarna, ya kanam, ya kaburong, jong, kajelang. Ya kanam gaburong jongki konsyallah. Tinggal semua orang tongin ya terisi tongam banang ketiu susu. Ya kanam ya gaburong jong kajelang iklajui.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To ask the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.